Hello, today is day 24, and the topic is life's purpose. Life's purpose. It's a big, broad question. It's a little scary to think about what you would do with the rest of your life. What would you fill your time with? Now, for me, my life's purpose, I think, is I have always wanted to see how good of an artist I could become. Right? I think I'm a good artist. I'm not a great artist yet, but then I don't think I'll be satisfied with being a great artist. I want to be an awesome artist, and then once I become an awesome artist, I want to be a stupid, fantastic artist. So it just keeps. It would never end. Right? As long as I'm alive, I would never be satisfied with the level I'm currently at. But what's cool is it's a self-fulfilling prophecy. It's like a wheel that never ends, because I like drawing. So you draw more, and as you draw more, you get better, which makes you want to draw even more. You get better, and it's this cool circle. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy. And I like that. And I think as I've gotten older, I now want to do project-based goals, and I have the idea for 10 books. I'd like to make 10 graphic novels, 10 visual books, 10 children's books, to like chart my course. As I get better with art, you have these projects and you just try to get better. So 10 books. And the third is, my mom used to say, that you have two hands. Use those two hands to help people up, right? You take somebody by the hand and help them up. And that's partially what this YouTube thing is. How do you disseminate information, something that could help somebody somewhere? So that's my third life's purpose. So that's for me. This is my mission on earth. I don't know. That sounds a bit too big and broad, but for me, that's great. 1, see how good I can become. 2, do 10 books, graphics, novels, visual books. And 3, use whatever knowledge that you gain to help somebody else. And that, I think, is my life's purpose. But what is yours? What is your life's purpose? It's a big question. You don't have to know all the answers, but maybe think about just getting a little kernel of where you could go next. So that's day 24. The topic was life's purpose. And I will see you on the next video. Take care. Are we on? Are we on? Jim, talk to me, Jim. Okay, today's going to be some tough ones, man. Today is going to be a tough one. Hello. Today is day 24? I don't know what day it is. Today's topic is life's purpose. Life's purpose. This is big. This is big. This is, what are you going to do with the rest of your life? Right? Wow. How could you ask me that? That's